Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Q2 Technik 30 TFSI. It comes dressed in the stunning brilliant black, sure to turn heads when on the road. At the time of this recording, the vehicle has done just over 7,777 miles. Standing on 16-inch alloy wheels with the 5-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point and plenty of head and leg space. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to the mobile phone device, a selection of DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into Audi smartphone to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio stations to sing along to. And in the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Below you have the manual air conditioning so both driver and passengers can set the preferred temperature for the cabin. Stay connected with the 12V and USB charging point, finished off with 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, the sleek manual gearbox, with the electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and the controls to the MMI display. This approved used Audi Q2 is now available and on site. For more information, please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.